Balika Vadhu, along with the most handsome Amit Gaur. Now, this guy needs no introduction. As you can see, he is a supermodel and one of the best looking guys in the city.
Wow. Toral and Amit, waiting for you. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, ladies.
Wow. Aradhana, I can see that you're totally charmed.
Yes,
right?
I am.
And I'm totally jealous.
No, don't be jealous.
Okay. Tell me, Aradhana, what are your views on loyalty?
Oh, well, loyalty and honesty are rate very high on my list of virtues. So, yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't think I should say more.
All right. Maybe... Can you hear me? Yeah. All right. All right. That's perfect, Aradhana. That was really great.
Thank you.
And I think, what you said absolutely makes sense when we talk about loyalty and when we talk about honesty.
Yes.
Yeah. Can we move the slide, please? Thank you. Every organization is dependent upon cohesion and demands loyalty from its members. It is the oil that keeps an organization operating smoothly.
High moral and ethical values, hard work, integrity, and dedication is the hallmark of this well-anchored winner. Now, this dynamic lady has been associated with SR Shipping since the past 29 years. Now reaching the rank of Deputy General Manager, Fleet Personnel, she's nothing less than what the search engine Google is when searching for a solution or information.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is available 24/7 to solve any problem that is presented and is capable of arranging a reliever overnight for any emergency on board or attending any contingencies in the fleet. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for the longest serving service in a shipping company, and the winner is Ms. Sunita Kotian. Please join us on stage. Congratulations, ma'am. Please, if we could have a few words from you.
Actually, I'm speechless now. I am extremely honored to receive this award from Sailor today. I'm thankful to SR, my chairman, Mr. Shashi Ruya, vice chairman, Mr. Ravi Ruya, and our MD, Captain Arun Sharma. I'm grateful to my family. Because of them, I'm here in SR for the last 30 years.
And the colleagues also.
Yes, sir. This award I would not have achieved without the inspiration of my colleagues, my seniors, to whom I owe the deepest respect. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. This way, ma'am. Ma'am, this way, please. Please.
Shipping industry worldwide will have to brace itself for a challenging 2016. And leaders with wisdom, foresight, and planning are ready to take up this challenge. 2015 saw the coming together of two iconic companies in what was the largest ever merger in the ship business management, creating an industry leader who is difficult to match.
Yes, absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the winner yet again for creation of maximum number of awards, number of jobs, for seafarers in 2015 to, you guessed it right, it's none other than the Anglo-Eastern Union Group. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Captain Vinay Singh. Can we have the other presenters also, please, if you could move a little forward with our winners.
Congratulations, sir. We would love to hear from you. A few words.
Thanks, Sailor, today. Thanks for this honor. And we'd like to thank the belief of our clients. That's why we are here. And above all, the support of our seafarers. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great evening.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again. She is the first lady entrant in the country to do her gender proud by breaking the glass ceiling in the marine industry sector in India. She is a woman of steely resolve, breaking the stereotypical male-dominated mold and storming the merchant navy by sailing to the level of chief engineer. This trailblazer has been instrumental not only in operation, but also in the survey of various kinds of ships.
She has subsequently risen to prestigious post of senior surveyor with the Indian Register of Shipping after joining as engineer surveyor 6 years ago. The exceptional and exemplary woman of substance that she is, it is easy to get impressed by her. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to call upon stage Ms. Suniti Bala, winner of the Exemplary Woman of Substance Award. Please put your hands together as we welcome her on stage to receive this award.
Big congratulations, ma'am. We'd love to hear from you. A few words.
Thank you, Sailor, today. It's an honor, definitely, especially 4 days after International Women's Day. It's almost 15 years since I've been in this industry, shipping industry. And people ask me how difficult it was because I've sailed for almost 9 years and now I'm at shore, especially young girls, that did you face any challenge? And for that I say, yes, challenges are always there, and it's not only in the shipping, it's everywhere. Thank you. And for that, what you need to be prepared, at least I do that. I decide in my mind, and if I decide in my mind that I can do something, I definitely do. Because if you don't decide in your mind, then you already failed. Thank you. So, to the young girls, at least, especially for the young girls who are already in the industry or who want to join, I'll say definitely it's a challenging, but it's beautiful out there at sea, which I still miss, I still cherish, and I feel one day I'll go back to the sea, at least for one sail, with my kids, with my husband. Thank you, Sailor, today. And I would definitely like to thank my parents for believing in me when I decided to join sea, and to a wonderful, supportive husband who is always there at every corner of my life, whether it's personal or professional. And that, nevertheless, I would definitely like to thank my all seniors who have been there through my high seas and who guided me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Well
Congratulations,
spoken,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One picture, please. One picture. If you come a little closer, so we can. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. This way, ma'am, please.
A very big congratulations to all our deserving winners. It is such a pleasure having each and every one of you with us tonight. Please continue enjoying the evening.
Yes, and before we move on, we have our esteemed presenters here, our wonderful guests. We'd like to hear a few words from you, please. So starting with you, okay. Thoral, let's hear from you.
Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here, and thank you, Manisha. It's a great opportunity. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, Thoral. Amit, we need a few words from you. All the women in the audience want to hear from you. Sir.
Good evening, everyone. Distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and my sailor friends. I've been coming here since the first event organized by Captain Nangia, and year after year is getting better. So let me say, Captain Nangia, that this is something that we don't see in any of the international events, and how uniquely you have blended the glamour with the seafaring profession, which is very boring and very drab. So you brought some glamour into it. Secondly, today happens to be the birthday of Captain Nangia's father, so I send him my warmest wishes and wish him a healthy and happy life ahead. Last but not the least, the shipping industry has been going through some difficult times for the last, I can say, since 2008. And the end is still not in sight. But looking here this evening, and as optimists the shipping people are, I think any challenges ahead, we will be able to face with courage, determination, and overcome them. So I wish everybody in the industry good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Ms. Pinky Ahluwalia, maybe have a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, congratulations to Sailor today for their 25th anniversary and for the birthday of Mr. Captain Nangia. I'm from Belgium, and Belgium is very much connected with the shipping world. Antwerp is one of the biggest ports in Europe, and therefore I feel very connected with the shipping world and the Sailor Awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, a few words from you.
I just want to say what a pleasure it is for us to be here tonight. We're very excited and very honored and on behalf of all our team back in Cyprus of the Dodotrio Group, to be sponsoring for once more. I think it's the 3rd year, and hopefully there will be many to come. Congratulations to all the winners. You're all stars. Do you like to?
Well, I guess everything has been said. Just to wish Sailor today to stay glamorous and stay very successful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for being with us here. Cheers. Thank you so much. Bro, we didn't hear from you. A couple of words. Just a hi to all the lovely ladies out here, please.
Hi, guys. Thank you for having me here. Thank you to Manisha. Where is she? There you are. Really, really humbled being here, and so much affection shown by you. I look forward to coming back next year if you'll have me. Thank you again. Have a great night.
Thank you, Amit. Pleasure having you here with us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a special night, and one that calls for special celebrations. The next video, which has been exclusively produced by Sailor today, is for all you people in love. The question we ask you is, Kya yahi pyar hai? And I'm sure you will remember this for a very, very long time.
And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to add here that this song has been sung by our very own Umesh Ferwani himself. So for the first time, he's getting a singing debut. So all the best, and I've seen the video, it looks great.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Aradhana, for mentioning that, and keep smiling, all of you, and please enjoy this video.
Thank you so much.